Alright, it's Rick here. And Lori. She's not wanting to talk. Everybody had to get up early this morning.
Too early.
For what?
For jet skiing.
Yeah, so I don't even know if this video will make it.
I hope it does, but I'm a little nervous.
I hope we get a good video. We've got a GoPro 8. First time we're really using it. Mm-hmm. So we'll see how this video goes. Kids are pretty excited.
And I'm a little nervous.
Lori's nervous.
I'm not a fan of water, for one.
So I'm hoping we get, it's early, so I hope we get some amazing views. And I hope we have fun. I hope the kids have a blast, because this is the one thing of our trip to Hilton Head that they've been looking forward to.
Very much so.
Yeah, so stay tuned, and hopefully we'll have some footage for you. That's the fastest you can. Payment 42. Watch his elbow behind you. Okay, let's do that again. That was fun. All right, you ready? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Leave it on.
Have them go to the right. Have them go to the, that way you're, yeah, you can. All right,
Kylie's driving.
you got to go underneath the lamp. You got to go to the right. Yes, Kylie. Lean to the left, Lori.
You're doing so nuts.
There you go. Hey, Kylie, don't go too fast, sweetie. Who had fun riding jet skis?
Me.
Really? We want to do it again?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes? All right. Sea Monkeys was pretty cool, wasn't it?
Yeah.
All right.
Tomorrow.
Okay, guys.
I survived!
We just finished up with the Sea Monkeys jet ski at the Hilton Head Harbor RV Resort and Marina, and we had a blast.
We had so much fun.
Yes. Lori's a pro.
I wouldn't go that far, but I had fun.
Yeah, she did great. We seen some dolphin.
You saw a dolphin.
I seen dolphin.
We saw stingrays, a fish jump out of the water, and a lot of jellyfish.
Lots of jellyfish.
So that was incentive not to fall in the water.
It was. So I have to say, it was even, I knew it was going to be fun, but it was even more enjoyable. Kids had a blast.
They did, and they were so excited when they said, as long as you're with an adult, once you get out there, they could take a
Tour.
they could take a turn.
Yeah. And they all
Which
did.
scared the crap out of me.
Yeah, but it was a lot of open water, just cruising around. So if you're ever in Hilton Head and you want to do jet skis, check out the Sea Monkeys. Yes, I'll leave a link in the description of it. And especially at the Hilton Head, we're going to put a video up of the RV resort here that we're at with the marina and everything. It's just beautiful, so much fun. But hi campers, thank you for watching our video. We really appreciate all the support.
And guys, if you want to check out some other videos of ours, click up here. And if you want to become a subscriber, which I hope you will, click down here.
Yeah, also you can check out our apparel shop by clicking over here. But until next time,
Safe travels and God bless.